Traditionally, you take your dog to the vet. The vet would ask you questions about how is your dog. You're not home all the time, so you have no idea how your dog is doing. My name is Darren Srikumpol, and I am the technology partner at Kinship. Kinship and Mars are using the data taken from pet owners to further science and our understanding of animal health and welfare. Videos submitted by pet owners doing certain actions like scratching, eating, drinking, sleeping, allow us to map what we see on the accelerometer to what animals are doing in real life. Collecting that data over time allows us to essentially give them a voice, because accelerometer data is complex. You can find trends, but you have to know what to look for. There are a lot of cloud service providers out there, and one of the things that people don't know about Azure is the maturity of their data lake services. The accelerometer data collected from their devices, combined together on Azure Data Lake, allows us to find insights about animals that we never would have been able to find without the help of machine learning.